Hi, maybe you've heard the European honeybee is not doing so well, and one of the reasons is this guy, the Asian hornet. It's an invasive species that has come to Europe with boats. First reporting was around Bordeaux in France, and in 2 decades it has managed to enthrall Western Europe. Unfortunately, the Asian hornet kills the European honeybee for sport. This is how the decline of the European honeybee could look like. It's a simple model done by a group of students from the Prague University of Economics and Business. And what the students did was they looked at Gaia's data, the observations, but also relationships among species, and they started to extrapolate its future movement. Let me name them to give them credit. Barbora Zelníková, Alexandra Tiurina, Adriana Sluková, Maria Kučík, and Vlastimil Per. These guys looked at Gaia's data, such as, for example, relationships which we are collecting from academic papers, and looked at what could predate on the Asian hornet. And unfortunately, in Europe, it's not much. It's the chicken, it's the marten, and it's the buzzard. Now, the chicken is not the most active predator, is there? The martens are too few, and the buzzard may take a bite, but it does not consider it its main food source. Thus, we have a problem. The responsibility is ours, Homo sapiens, to preserve bees in Europe. My name is David, and I'm the founder of Illuminum, the IT startup that has built gaia.eco, which allows anyone to collect biodiversity data on demand, such as about the last month worth of data of the Asian hornet. As you can see, now it's being reported in Greece, and if we look at the political map, it's definitely taken over Germany. The European honeybee is essential for pollination of most habitats in Europe. However, it is also the reason why we have functioning agriculture. No European honeybee means no cheap food. And unfortunately, the Asian hornet is not the only thing. There are other invasive species that are decimating the bee. One of them is Trapelalaps, which is a tick specially developed to bees, and combined with pollution, with pesticides in agriculture, we are looking at the decline of bees in Europe. My name is David. I'm the founder of Illuminum. Do sign up for Gaia, make better analytics with more data, or meet us if you need services so that we can help you devise nature-based solutions to tackle the spread of invasives. Thank you very much.